The LG V20 is here, and today I'm doing a video with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G for Verizon Prepaid. So the Galaxy S21 Ultra is not had on Verizon Prepaid. It's available in two colors, Phantom Black and Phantom Silver. 128 GB of storage, and it's $11.99 new contract. Alright, so let's go ahead and check out the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. Alright. So this is what the Galaxy S21 Ultra looks like. It has 3 cameras on the back. It also has a 2 telephoto cameras on the back, I believe, 2 of them. I think one of these is a camera lens, one of these are. You also have a camera flash right there, Samsung logo on the rear. On the front you have your whole punch for the front facing camera, power and bang keys. I do kind of like this here, pretty nice there. That's the front. Like I said, whole punch for the front facing camera, power and bang keys on the right side of the phone. There's the front of it again. The left side you have nothing. There's the back. And like I said, on the back of the Galaxy S21 Ultra, you guys have 3 cameras. 3 cameras plus a camera flash. I think one of these little tiny lenses is a telephoto camera, so then you have 2 telephoto lenses. I think you have 2 of them. So that's pretty interesting. That's the back. Yes, I got your Samsung logo there on the rear as well. Go back over it again. On the right side of the phone, like I said, you have the power button and your bang keys. And the camera, the camera is flushed to the right side of the phone now, so that's pretty cool. And there's the front again. So yeah, really nice looking phone. So the Galaxy S21 Ultra has 12 days of standby time, 27.69 hours of usage time of 108 megapixel rear camera. That's the main camera is 108 megapixels, which is pretty insane. 2.97 inches in width, 6.5 inches in height. So it says here, introducing the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G, the ultimate self-expression smartphone with 5G ultra wideband speeds. So take your photos and videos to a whole new level with a multi-lens camera featuring 100 times space zoom, a 108 megapixel camera, and heads turning 8K video. Similar quality features like volume view for simultaneous front and back camera recording and director's view for real-time angle adjustments such as shoot like a pro. All of your favorite content comes to life on the 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2 times display with a crazy high contrast feature and an adaptive display that automatically adjusts from 10 Hz to 120 Hz. So that's really nice, you have the option for that as well. And with a slick design, hyper-fast processing, and a battery that won't quit before you do, you can create, connect, and do more of what you love. It expands all the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G has to offer on Verizon. Now with the coverage of 5G nationwide and the unprecedented performance of 5G ultra wideband, alright? So yeah, pretty nice there for the filmmaker. So basically, cut and paste here on the Galaxy S21 phones for Verizon. Basically cut and paste. So for the filmmaker, it says record all of last moment and super smooth 8K video. Turn your room into a movie studio or let the city be your backdrop with cinema quality features and 24 frames per second video capture. Use Vlogger G to shoot videos using the front and back cameras simultaneously. Switch angles as you go with Director's View and enable single take AI to create share with the GIFs, movies, and more. A camera so good everyone's a pro. Snap share-worthy moments with the easy-to-use multi-lens camera system equal to with a rear wide-angle 108MP camera, ultra-wide 12MP, and front-facing 40MP camera. Holy shit! Dual lens zoom and 3 times. Dual lens zoom combines 3 times and 10 times optical zoom, so you can bring objects from afar into focus in a single tap, and with 100 times spacing and zoom lock you can magnify the details of an object or capture long distance shots with stunning clarity. All-day power. With an all-day intelligent battery you can share, stream, and more without missing a beat. The 5000 mAh battery, the 5000 mAh smart battery that is, powers up to more than 50% charging in just 30 minutes and adapts to your usage habits and conserves energy so you can enjoy peak performance all day and night at the speed of life. Transform how you share, live stream, edit, and multitask with hyper-fast processor speeds. Faster processing power and graphic rendering gives you a supercomputer in the palm of your hands. Share all your moments without slowing down, and you can keep all those high-quality photos and videos with tons of storage, ranging from 128 gig to 512 gig. So really nice. 5G speeds, of course. Share, watch, and play in a flash. Experience ultra-fast speeds and ultra-low latency with Verizon's 5G Ultra Wideband. Stream HD content with very low buffering. Game with minimal lag and get more done faster. A display to meet high standards. The 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x display has a high contrast ratio for an even brighter, richer viewing experience. Level up your game play with an ultra responsive display that automatically adjusts from 10 Hz to 120 Hz. Intelligent blue light sensors naturally adapt to help minimize eye strain and discomfort so you can watch and play for longer and unleash your creativity by adding the S Pen, allowing you to edit with precision and bring your visions to life. So the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra has S Pen support, so that's pretty cool. So that's the first Galaxy S phone to support S Pen, because you guys know that the Galaxy S Pen is a Galaxy Note feature. But now they're bringing it to the Galaxy S series cell phones. So that's pretty cool. So the Galaxy S21 Ultra has S Pen support, so that is pretty cool. I think you have to. I don't know. I think it comes with it. I'm not really sure if it comes with it or if you have to buy the S Pen separately. I'm not really sure. So yeah, that says warning may cause firm envy. Designed with all new stainless metal camera, modern matte finish, and ultra tough glass. The S21 Ultra 5G is a head turner. Choose the color that fits your vibe for a smartphone that looks good as it performs. So pretty nice there. This one has a lot of features on it, and yeah. I think the biggest feature about this one is its S Pen support. So pretty nice there. So the Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G, it's a world device, so you can use it in every 200 countries. Standby time 12 days. Usage time 27.69 hours. Camera 108 megapixel. Rear facing camera, that's the main camera. Then you have a 40 megapixel front facing camera. Your width is 2.97 inches. Height is 6.5 inches. Depth is 0.35 inches. And the Galaxy S21 Ultra was 8.7 ounces. This is a hefty motherfucker right here. This is hefty, so yeah. Screen size 6.8 inches. That's WQHD. So Quad HD display. 1440 by 3200 pixels. At 515 PPI, 5000 mAh battery, Android 11 with One UI 3.0. 12 gigabyte, 128 gigabytes of 128 256 gigabytes of ROM and 12 gigabytes of RAM, or 512 gigabytes of ROM and 16 gigabytes of RAM. So that's pretty impressive. That's crazy. That's 16 gigabytes of memory, 16 gigabytes of RAM on the phone. That's crazy, but it's there. There's your hearing aid, global network 4G, 5G processor, Snapdragon 888 octa-core processor. It has Bixby and Google Assistant for your voice assistant. Also has HD voice, which lets you experience HD voice, video calling, and simultaneous voice and data. Enable Wi-Fi calling and make calls anywhere you have a Wi-Fi connection. If you guys need help with your Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G prepaid smartphone, Verizon has you covered with that with device support, which is a great tool. So it says here, Verizon Mobile support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So yeah. So that's what it comes in the box. So you guys get the Samsung Galaxy S21 prepaid. Did y'all guys get the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G prepaid smartphone? Pencil SIM card, data cable, Type-C to Type-C, quick reference guide, terms and conditions, and you guys will have to get the S Pen separately. I don't know how much the S Pen is, but it's not included in the phone. So you have to pay for that. I don't know how much the S Pen is. Show me that cheap, but it's probably a little expensive because it's an S Pen. And the S Pen is a Galaxy native feature, but now Samsung is bringing the S Pen support to the Galaxy S devices. Right now, the Galaxy S21 Ultra is the only Galaxy S phone that supports the S Pen. So, even though it has native support for the Galaxy S21 Ultra, y'all guys can probably try to use the S Pen on the Galaxy S21 or S21 Plus and it might work. Y'all guys can try that, but but it is definitely supported on the Galaxy S21 Ultra, so there you go. Not bad for that. That's a pretty interesting feature. I think that's like the most interesting feature about this one is that it supports S Pen, so that's pretty cool. Because you guys know that the S Pen is a Galaxy native feature, and it's been a Galaxy native feature ever since the original Galaxy Note in 2011, 2012, something like that. So yeah. So now they're bringing the S Pen support to the Galaxy S series of phones. So pretty interesting right there by Samsung to do that. So yeah, so there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G is now available on Verizon Prepaid. It's available now for $11.99.99. No contract with 128 gigabytes of storage. So it's worth picking up, and you guys get great features in this phone. And yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.